All right, here we are in Polo Ridge, and if you've never been to Polo Ridge, if you own a polo horse, this is the place to be. No, I'm just kidding. Let's go have a look at the Jasmine model. Here we go. So off to the right, we have this beautiful kitchen, all redone with granite countertops. Nice seating area. Look at all this space for cupboards, stainless steel appliances, even got the gas stove, access to the garage. And this Jasmine model has such this big open space from the kitchen. Just beautiful. Let's head into the living room, dining room area. Dining area here. So we are really close to a number of different golf courses, as well as the polo club. And if you've never been to a polo match, it's something to see. The Village is world renowned for their polo, and it's just an amazing event to see. They also have all kinds of events over at the polo fields. They have drive-in movie theater where you can go in with your golf cart and they set up a movie theater. You can watch movies, and that's a fun thing to do during the afternoons. Here's the master bathroom. Again, laundry off to the right with access to the garage. And a nice walk-in shower here. So big Jasmine model, king bed. Looks out onto the lanai. This home is fully tiled. Living area, big screen TV off to the right. It's available for short-term rental, and we'll leave all the contact details in this video for you. Nice Florida room. Fully enclosed with the nice shutters, and you access the lanai, which is all screened in, but you can open those up if you want to have a nice breeze. Sit out here during the day and just read a book. Enjoy your privacy. Because this is a split design, off to the left, there are 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So the front bedroom, nice bright space. And in between is the guest bathroom. Again, granite countertops, tile floors. Here we have the guest bedroom, sorry. Again, all set up quite nicely. So if you're looking for a short-term rental in the northern part of the Villages, Polo Ridge area, this is a fantastic option for you. Again, it's going to be available for short-term rental.